बिन तेरे बिन तेरे बिन तेरे. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and are safe. And for those of you all who are seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I am Prakriti. And today's video is probably the last video for this year. Like literally this year went by so quickly कि पता ही नहीं चला. Today's video is about my best buys from this year, that is 2021. So it consists of everything. Like I'll be covering everything from makeup, skincare, hair care, body care. So yes, ये video इट्सी बिट्सी थोड़ा सा लंबा हो सकता है. So if you are excited, please do continue watching. And if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. So yes, without much ado, let's just dive straight into the video. So yes, moving forward with the last category and my personal favorite is the makeup. And there are definitely many things that I have discovered this year जो कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आई है. So beginning with the first step, that is primer. So I definitely have been loving this primer from Swiss Beauty. So this one is basically a really good primer, I would say. It's a hydrating and highlighting primer. Like इसकी consistency cream sort of है and this is how it looks. It comes with a pump. Like अगर आपको visible हो, मैंने इसको काफ़ी use किया है and I have been able to empty this much only. Like इतना ही खत्म हुआ. तो काफ़ी आपको ये चलेगा एंड इट इज़ रियली अफोर्डेबल. लाइक 250 के आसपास आपको मिल जाएगा. इसमें 3 शेड्स आते हैं. आई हैव गॉट द 02 गोल्डन टिंट एंड इट गिव्स यू रियली गुड शाइन ऑन योर फेस. अगर आप मेकअप नहीं भी कर रहे हो, यू कैन जस्ट अप्लाई दिस एंड अप्लाई अ मॉइस्चराइजर and you are good to go. Like it looks really good on your skin. Like इसमें कोई भी visible like बहुत ज़्यादा heavy chunky particles नहीं है जो आपको दिखेगा लगेगा कुछ आपने artificial लगाया हुआ है. So that's really good about this. Moving forward with the foundation, this is a really good buy. Like मैंने इसके बारे में सुना हुआ था. Like this is basically a foundation. So I'm talking about the Primer Plus Matte Lakme 925 foundation. I am basically in the shade N220 Neutral Medium. Like मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत ज़्यादा सुना हुआ था and I really wanted to try this. And ये मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ऑफ में मिल गया था. Like 300 के अराउंड मिल गया था. And this retails for 600. It retails for 475. And I got this for 300. So that was really good. And I would say बस इसमें एक कमी है that it does not has a pump. Like it has this spatula kind of thing which I really don't like. काफ़ी messy हो सकता है और ये ग्लास बॉटल है तो येस ट्रैवलिंग में भी इशू हो सकता है. बट अदर देन दिस इट्स अ रियली गुड फाउंडेशन. लाइक इट कैन बी बिल्ड अप टू अ फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन एंड इट गिव्स यू अ रियली गुड मैट फिनिश. लाइक Maybelline तो है ही बट येस आई वुड से दिस वॉज अ रियली गुड बाय फॉर मी दिस ईयर. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद द कंसीलर एंड इट्स अ रियली अफोर्डेबल कंसीलर फ्रॉम अ रियली अफोर्डेबल मेकअप ब्रांड. येस इट्स द स्विस ब्यूटी लिक्विड कंसीलर. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. इट कम्स इन अ फ्रॉस्टेड ट्यूब काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग एंड नॉर्मल इसमें डो फुट एप्लीकेटर है जैसा होता है कंसीलर्स में. बहुत ही प्रिसाइज है. यू कैन गो विद दिस ब्रश इन योर इनर कॉर्नर्स एंड इट्स रियली गुड. लाइक मैंने आज भी यही अप्लाई किया है. So it's like really good. I'm in the shade 04 medium beige and it's definitely really good. It provides you a very good coverage. Like you can watch my first impression videos and makeup tutorial videos to see how this one performs. Like Swiss Beauty के products बहुत ज़्यादा affordable and some are really great. So I would definitely say you can try Swiss Beauty as a makeup brand. Next I'll be talking about is a loose powder. Like I have personally tried only one loose powder. So this is from the brand Maybelline and it's from their Fit Me range. So I'm in the shade 20 light medium. So this is how the container looks like. It's a glass container and इसको जब आप open करते हो, you just have to, before opening, you just have to do this and the product comes out here. Like it has perforated hole sort of thing. इसमें powder है अंदर. Like मैंने इसको काफ़ी use किया and still there is a lot of product inside. You can see like बहुत ज़्यादा product है इसमें. Like it's a really good powder I would say. जब आप इसको set कर लेते हो अच्छे से अपनी under eyes के अंदर like in the fine lines. So crease नहीं करता है. Like personally for me it doesn't. एंड इसमें थोड़ी सी कवरेज भी है. लाइक इट्स नॉट दैट ट्रांसलूसेंट ट्रांसपेरेंट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पाउडर. लाइक अगर आप इसको नॉर्मली भी लगाओगे सो इट हैज सम अमाउंट ऑफ कवरेज. आई वुड लाइक शो यू. इट हैज सम कवरेज. सो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपने कुछ नहीं लगाया. लाइक नॉर्मली भी इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई दिस ऑन डेली बेसिस यू कैन. इट विल गिव यू सर्टेन अमाउंट ऑफ कवरेज. सो येस इट्स अ रियली गुड बाय आई वुड से. नेक्स्ट आई वुड गो ऑन विद द आईब्रो प्रोडक्ट दैट आई हैव बीन यूजिंग like ever since. Like in my every video you must have seen this. I'm talking about the Etude House drawing pencil, which comes with a spoolie on one side and the product on the other side. So it's a retractable pencil sort of a thing, and इसमें अभी भी काफी product बचा हुआ है. You can see like बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. Like this is the amount of product that is left, and I would really say it's a really good pencil for beginners out there because it's not that heavily pigmented कि आपको control करना मुश्किल हो. It's in the shade 02 grey brown and it's really good. Like ये proper black भी नहीं है and brown भी नहीं है. So it goes with my eyebrows and I really like this. इसको खत्म करने में अभी थोड़ा और time लगेगा. But yes, it's a really good and affordable purchase. Next, I'll be going on with the liners, and these are the two liners that I'll be talking about. One is the solid black liner, jet black, and the other is a glitter liner, जो कि अभी मैंने recent buy किया है. And ever since that time, I have been using this one quite a lot, I would say. So I'll just swatch it and show you guys. It's a silver glittery liner and इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा precise इसका brush है. So आप इसमें wing liner आराम से बना सकते हो. This is how the color looks like. It's a really good metallic shade. And the next is Faces Canada's pen liner. So it's really good. Like pen liners are really good for beginners, and like abhi bhi they are like really convenient to use. So this is how the shade looks like. It's matte jet black, which is what I like, and it's non-transfer smudge proof, so that's really good. And precise tip hai, so you can definitely make a wing liner with this as well. Moving forward with the discovery that surprised me a lot, and it's this mascara from Kiko Milano. It's their unforgettable volume and curl mascara. Like this one particularly gives so much volume in the lashes, like I kid you not. So this is how the wand of it looks like. It's like a curvy U-shaped wand. Like एक तरफ you can just lengthen and push it up, and the other side you can wiggle it downwards. So this is a really surprise purchase, but I really like this one. Like इस बार मैंने ज़्यादातर tints use किए हैं. Like I'll be showing you two tints. So first one is from Just Herbs. ये मैंने Spitten से लिया था. This is the full size product, but yes, I got it for just 5 trial points, which is really good. You can just check out my Spitten haul to know how you get this. And this is the liquid tint from the Face Shop. This one comes with a brush. You just have to apply this and then smudge it. Like बहुत जल्दी ये dry हो जाता है तो patchy हो सकता है. But yes, if you apply oil underneath and then spread, तो ये बहुत ज़्यादा easily spread out हो जाएगा. It gives you really natural looking and red sort of effect on your cheeks. And second is this tint from Just Herbs. This is how it looks. Like initially this was not that dry, but yes, ये थोड़ा सा dry होने लगा. So you just like take it up on a brush and warm it up on your hands and then apply. तब ये tint काफी अच्छा काम करता है आपके cheeks पे. And मैंने इसको बहुत तरीके से use किया, like over my lids, over my lips, and then over my cheeks. And ये काफी ज़्यादा अच्छा था. Like I got 2 shades in this one. This is 01 Brick Red और एक मैंने like 03 Soft Nude ऐसा कुछ लिया था. So yes, I really like both of these. Next, I'll be showing you guys the eyeshadow palette that I have been reaching out the most in this year. So this is the eyeshadow palette from the Wet n Wild, and this is the Rose in the Air palette, and this is a really versatile palette, I would say. Like मैंने ये normally लिया था कि neutrals है, चलो हाँ अच्छा है, nudes है, मजा आएगी. But yes, this is how the color scheme looks like. It's a really good palette, and it's like a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hill palette, and it's really good. बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है. There are 2 transition shades, 2 shimmer shades, others are matte, and there is one like banana powder sort of a shade with which you can just set the concealer over your eyes, and you can even use this to cut the crease like on the cheekbone. So this is how the pigment looks like. It's like so pigmented. It's really good. And अगर आपको affordable end पे कोई palette चाहिए, so you can definitely try this one. I'll show you the pigment. So this is how the palette looks like. मैंने one swipe किया था, and be it mattes or be it shimmers, everything is like on point and it's like really good. And मैंने इस palette से बहुत ज़्यादा looks create किए हुए हैं, so it's not that कि आप single look या normal look ही create कर सकते हो. But yes, this palette is definitely really good. Like मेरा personally ये among the first or the second palette था जो मैंने लिया था, so it's like really close to my heart. So yes, I really like this one. So the next eye product is a really good buy for beginners who don't want like n number of shades on their eyes. So this is a really good option. It's the liquid eyeshadows from Swiss Beauty. Like मैंने personally इसका एक लिया था पहले try करने के लिए, but it's like so good. Like today also I've applied. You can see just a teeny amount यहाँ in a corner पे. Like initially they had 5 colors, but now they have added on more colors in this. But yes, you can definitely use this in multiple ways. Like a light soft look that I have done today, you can use it that way. You can even use this as a bold eye look. So it's really good. I have two shades here. One is 03 Champagne and other is 04 रोज गोल्ड रेट्रो एंड इट्स लाइक रियली गुड. ये नॉर्मल लिपस्टिक जैसे वॉन्ड में आता है, सो इट्स रियली गुड फॉर बिगिनर्स. इट हैज अ फ्लैट डो फुट एप्लीकेटर एंड आई शो यू द शेड. हियर आर द टू शेड्स. इट लुक्स सो ब्लिंगी, सो गुड. लाइक अगर आपने ये एक एंटायर लिड पे भी लगा लिया, योर आई लुक वुड बी लाइक फ्रॉम हेयर टू हेयर. सो आई डेफिनेटली लाइक बोथ ऑफ दीज. सो मूविंग फॉरवर्ड विद द हाइलाइटर, एंड इट्स द हाइलाइटर फ्रॉम Wet n Wild, which is in the variant Precious Petals. So this is how it looks. It has this petal sort of thing going on which is engraved, and I'll just swatch and show you. So see, this is how the product looks like. It's so amazing. बिल्कुल भी चमकी नहीं लगता है. इसमें 4 और शेड आते हैं. I suppose this is how the product looks like. On the Indian skin tone, it looks really good, and I would say it's a really good investment. Wet n Wild is a really good brand, known brand for makeup, and you will definitely like this. ये काफी ज्यादा quantity है इसकी, and it will not definitely finish so soon. And इसमें और भी ज्यादा variants हैं, so yes. So moving forward with the lipsticks, and lipstick swatches मैंने काफी कर रखी है अपने चैनल पे. You can definitely check out the playlist. I would be telling you guys 2 lipsticks that I have been reaching out the most. So first I'll be beginning with the liner. So this is the Wet n Wild liner in the shade Chestnut. Like बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing है. मैंने इसको काफ़ी यूज़ किया and still there is a lot of product. It's this brown shade. Like a liner makes a huge difference. मुझे ये पहले नहीं पता था, but since the time I have started using this, मुझे पता लगा liner makes a huge difference in defining the lips. So yes, this is a really good buy. I'll definitely try out other liners as well. Moving forward with the lipsticks that I'll be talking. So these are the 2 lipsticks I'll be talking about in this video. Like other lipsticks also I have swatched in videos. First is from the inside. You must have been seeing this in many videos, I would say. Like this is in the shade 01 Joyful. And My Glam lipsticks तो मैंने proper एक dedicated video की हुई है. You can definitely check that out. It's in this really beautiful shade 18 Swinger. So both these lipsticks are on a different tone. Like one is a pinkier lipstick and other is a brown lipstick, I would say. So both of these lipsticks are really good. I would say My Glam one stays a bit longer, but that retails for $3.95. But this one was a really good buy. It retails for, I suppose, 90 or 60 something. Like below 100 it retails, but yes, this is a really good one. And these are how the shades look like. The brown one is the inside lipstick, and the second, the pinkier and the brown mix, is Swinger from My Glam. Moving forward with the setting spray. So this was the first makeup fixer that I purchased, and it's again from the affordable category, which is from the brand Swiss Beauty, and it's their aloe vera and vitamin E makeup fixer. Like initially I would say मुझे ठीक लगा था, but yes, this one performs really good. It's just that इसकी जो fragrance है that I don't like. It literally feels a splash of alcohol, and I really don't like the fragrance, but other than that it performs absolutely well. So the last items for this video are definitely removers. Like अगर makeup लगाया है, so you should definitely remove it well, and I have discovered really good removing pads. Like earlier I had been using those Miniso cotton wipes that I have been purchasing since a while, but yes, since the time I have discovered these pads, like these come in a pair of 2. These are from Earth Rhythm. So these are the microfiber pads, and these are reusable. So whenever like one gets dirty, I just wash it up and use the other until that time. So I really like, it's like really soft and it removes your makeup really well. And yes, it's definitely environment friendly too. The remover that I'll be showing you, like I have used many removers. In the empties video also I showed like Pond's का almost खत्म हो चुका है. Garnier one also I have used, but this one was really good. It's again from the brand Plum. It's from this E-Luminance range from Plum, and I really like this one. ये भी बहुत छोटा है. By this you must have guessed कि ये trial product है. Yes, this also I got from Smitten. Like Smitten पे Plum के products हैं. If you want to try, you can definitely grab this. It's like a really good remover, I would say. So this is basically a solid remover sort of a thing. जब भी आप इसको scoop out करोगे, just have to rub between your fingers and then rub on your face, and your makeup would melt like this. So it's like really easy and convenient. And अगर आपने full face of makeup किया हुआ है, so this would definitely be really good. So yes, those were all the products that I personally liked in the year 2021. Like मुझे जो बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आए हैं in every category. Like I have covered hair care, skin care, makeup, body care also, yes. So if you guys liked and found this video helpful, so you just have to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. And also do hit that bell notification so that you're notified every time I post a new video. So yes, until then, wishing you a really happy new year in advance. So yes, stay home, take care, and meet you all next week with yet another amazing video. Bye bye.